Everyone, in today's video, we will see how to track data on an e-commerce website. When you are going to track an e-commerce website, you will need 4 things. They are view item, add to cart, checkout, and purchase. When we set these 4 things in our tag manager, we will get the data correctly. That means we will be able to know who entered our website and what they clicked on. So let's start. For this, we first need to go to settings in the website backing. Click on settings, then click on Google Tag Manager, then check if your Google Tag Manager ID is correct, then click on integration and click on WooCommerce. Scroll down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You will on this option. I have already given it, so you will fix this. I have discussed variables, triggers, tags, and add to cart, view item, begin checkout, purchase in the previous video. You can watch it first by clicking on the I button. View item, add to cart, checkout, we will need 3 variables for these 3 things. For purchase, we will need 1 more variable in addition to the previous one. I mean a total of 4 variables are needed for purchase. These 4 variables are currency, value, item, and transaction ID. Now we will create all the variables one by one. At first, we will create a variable for the currency. We will click on the variable, then click on new. Click on variable configuration. When we create a variable, we will select data layer variable always. Then variable name and data layer variable name. For currency, we will name the variable is DLV currency. DLV currency variable, and data layer variable name is e-commerce dot currency. Now you may be wondering when I got the name from. Well, I'm explaining. Basically, we know that when we click on a product, it shows up in our tag assistant. Like we clicked on DNK blue shoes. Now we back to go to our tag assistant and we can see it here. When I click on the data layer, and we can see that everything is laid out nicely here. Like we can copy from here and set it to a variable. I get bored of copying and pasting over and over again, so I created a document. I will paste this from the document here. I will provide this document in the video's description. If you want, you can also view it from here. So I think you understand where I got the variable name from. Then I clicked on the save option. So we are done, created 1 variable. Now we need to create 3 more variables like this. After currency variable, there will be value variable, same as before. Click new. After currency variable, there will be value variable, same as before. Okay, click new, variable configuration, then data layer variable name, and data layer variable name. Okay, we will go to our document and variable name is DLV value variable. Data layer variable name e-commerce dot value. Then save. Click new, variable configuration, data layer variable name, DLV items, data layer variable name, e-commerce dot items. Then save. New, variable configuration, data layer variable name, DLV purchase. Data layer variable name, e-commerce dot transaction ID. Then save. Okay, making 4 variables is complete. Now we need to create a CA4 variable. Click new, variable configuration, then click on constant value. Go to Google Analytics, click our website, then copy the measurement ID, and I will paste it here. This variable name is CF4 variable, and save. Making 5 variable is complete. Now we will create the triggers. Click on triggers. We need to create 4 triggers. The first one name is view item trigger. We back Google Tag Manager and click new trigger configuration. Then click custom event. These are the small things to remember. When we creating a variable, the type will be data layer. And when we creating a trigger, the type will be constant event. And after that, when we create the tag type will be Google Analytics. So we click on custom event name. Go back to our documents. The trigger name will be view item trigger. Then the event name view item. After adding custom event, I will name the event view underscore item. If we don't put on underscore in the event name, we won't get the data correctly. Then all custom event and save. Okay, this is how I will make the remaining 3 triggers very quickly. Click new trigger configuration, custom event. Second one name is add to cart, trigger name, event name, add to cart. All custom events, save. Again click on new trigger configuration, custom event. The event name is checkout, which means begin checkout. Copy, and the trigger name begin checkout trigger. Event name begin checkout. Okay. All custom events, save. New trigger configuration, custom event, trigger name, purchase trigger, event name, purchase. Then save. Making 4 triggers is complete. Now we will create the tags. Click on tags, click on new. I will name the tag is view item tag configuration. Then we need to select Google Analytics, CF4 event, measurement ID. The measurement ID will be CF4 ID variable. Click on plus, then select on CF4 variable. Event name view item. So we have to do the main thing now. We need to add parameters for the tag. We know that view item add to cart checkout, we will need 3 parameters for this 3 event. Click on event parameters, add parameters, 3. Purchase require 4 parameters, and the first parameter name is currency. Then second one name is value, then item. Okay, value must be given here, which we already made in before. DLV currency variable will be for the currency. Then value, click on plus, DLV value variable. Then item, DLV items variable. Now we need to add the trigger. We have already have the trigger. Now we will just add it here. Since this is view item tag, so the view item trigger will be here. Click and view item trigger. Then save. One tag created. Now we will copy the tag and create the other tag like this. Click view item tag, then click on 3 dot and copy. I will copy this, and the next tag name will be add to cart. Copy and change the tag name, add to cart tag. Then change the event name, add to cart event, and parameters. Then parameters, we will need the same 3 parameters for add to cart, so there will be no change here. Then trigger, click edit and add to cart trigger. Then save. Our 2 tags are complete. We need to do another text. Click the previous tag and click 3 dot, click on copy. Then change the tag name. The next one is checkout. We'll copy it and paste it here. Change the event name, begin checkout. Then parameters, we will need the same 3 parameters for begin checkout, so there will be no change here. We need to change just trigger. Click here, then add checkout trigger, begin checkout trigger, then save it. Copy, change the name. The last one is purchase tag, and change the event name, purchase. This is purchase tag, so one parameter will be added here, which name is transaction ID. Click on add parameter, copy and paste it here. Then DLB purchase variable. Then we need to change the trigger name, add purchase trigger, then save it. Okay, we have finished creating our variables, trigger and tags. Then click on submit and publish, continue. Okay, here is our 5 tags, 4 triggers and 10 variables. Now we will see if the variables, triggers and tag we have set are actually working. We will go to our website and click on a product. Suppose you are the owner of the website, you will see who is visiting your website and what they clicked on. And I am a customer. As a customer, now I will purchase a product. Click on add to cart, view cart. Then I will click on checkout. So we will now give our information. Okay, I will click on place order with my information. Now we back to our tag assistant. Look, everything is visible in the tag assistant, like Google tag, view item tag, add to cart tag, begin checkout tag and purchase tag. The things I have done so far, they will be show up in tag assistant. All 4 tag, triggers and variable we created are shown here. Now we understood how we can track data on any website by placing tag, trigger and variable in our tag manager. If you click on any tags here, you can see all the details of the customer. That means you can see everything about that customer. Like we click on thank you, then click on data layer. We can see all the details of the customer. You can see everything about that customer, in customer's name, email, phone number, address, enter time and zip code and many information like this. I hope everyone understands how I track the data. That's all for today's video. Everyone be well and don't forget to subscribe.